The F-22 Raptor reigned supreme for decades, setting the gold standard for air superiority. Its unmatched agility, stealth, and power made it the envy of the skies and a symbol of American technological dominance. But time and technology never stand still. The world is evolving at a breakneck pace, and so are the threats we face. The threats of today and tomorrow demand more than what the F-22, for all its brilliance, designed in the 1990s, can offer. New adversaries are developing advanced weapons, cyber warfare tactics, and next-gen aircraft of their own. Upgrades can only go so far. You can't just bolt on the future. There comes a point when incremental improvements aren't enough to keep up with the pace of innovation. That's why the Next Generation Air Dominance, or NGAD program, was born, to leap ahead, not just catch up. Its mission, to redefine what a fighter can be and to ensure air dominance for decades to come. When Boeing won the contract in 2025, it signaled a new era. The world watched as America committed to building the most advanced fighter ever conceived. Enter the F-47, a name that honors the legendary Thunderbolt of World War II, while launching us into a bold new future of aerial warfare. Building a sixth-generation fighter means throwing out the old playbook. Every assumption is challenged, every tradition re-examined. The F-47 isn't just faster or stealthier, it's a networked brain in the sky, capable of making split-second decisions and adapting to threats in real time. It commands robotic wingmen, processes data at lightning speed, and turns information into instant action, giving pilots an edge no enemy can match. Its stealth will make the F-22 look visible by comparison, slipping past enemy defenses undetected. An AI co-pilot will help the pilot dominate the digital battlefield, analyzing threats and suggesting tactics in real time. The F-47 isn't just a replacement, it's a revolution in air power designed to outthink, outmaneuver, and outfight any adversary. It's the future, and it's happening now. The dawn of a new era in aerial combat is upon us. The world has changed, and so must our champions. Only by pushing the limits can we stay secure. The F-47 is how America stays ahead, ready to meet the challenges of tomorrow, today. To truly understand the F-47, you have to look back at America's remarkable legacy of fighter innovation, a story of relentless ambition, technical mastery, and bold vision. For generations, American engineers and pilots have pushed the boundaries of what's possible in the sky, always striving to stay one step ahead. From the legendary P-51 Mustang, which helped turn the tide in World War II, to the F-86 Sabre that dominated the skies during the Korean War, each jet was a leap forward, answering the unique challenges of its era and setting new standards for performance and innovation. The F-15 Eagle set the gold standard for air superiority, unmatched in aerial combat, while the F-117 Nighthawk introduced the world to the power of stealth technology, changing the rules of engagement forever. The F-22 Raptor brought it all together, stealth, speed, and sensors, creating a fighter that could dominate any airspace and evade detection with ease. The F-35 Lightning II made stealth mainstream, serving across all branches of the military and connecting pilots to a digital battlefield like never before. But the F-47 is different. It's not just another step in the evolution, it's a bold leap into the future. It's not just a reaction to current threats, it's a projection into the unknown, designed to anticipate and outpace adversaries we haven't even met yet. Built for a future of networked, data-driven, and autonomous combat, the F-47 is engineered to counter threats that don't even exist yet, harnessing artificial intelligence and real-time data to make split-second decisions. The F-47 inherits the Mustang's legendary range, the Eagle's air dominance, and the Raptor's near invisibility, but it adds a new layer: intelligence, adaptability, and the ability to learn and evolve in the heat of battle. It's the next revolutionary step in American air power, a symbol of the nation's commitment to staying ahead in a rapidly changing world. This is relentless innovation, hardwired into the F-47's DNA, born from decades of experience, experimentation, and the drive to achieve the impossible. The F-47 isn't just another milestone in aviation history, it's the opening of a new chapter, one that will define the next era of aerial combat. It's the fighter for the battles we haven't even imagined, ready to meet the unknown with confidence and power. America's tradition of air dominance continues, fueled by innovation, courage, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. The F-47 is the future built on a legendary past, and it's ready to write the next chapter in the story of American air power. Let's look under the hood of the F-47. Its technology is what sets it apart. The F-47 is the quarterback in the sky, commanding a swarm of unmanned drones called collaborative combat aircraft. Its next-gen stealth, with a tailless, alien-like design, makes it nearly invisible to radar. Advanced electronic warfare systems jam and deceive enemy sensors, making the F-47 a true ghost. Its sensor suite fuses data from drones, satellites, and ground stations, giving the pilot a 360-degree view of the battlefield. The real magic is in sensor fusion, turning chaos into clarity. Powering all this is a new adaptive engine that shifts between fuel efficiency and maximum thrust on the fly. The F-47 can fly farther, faster, and with more electrical power than any fighter before it. This is a machine built for deep strikes and total dominance. The F-47's tech isn't just advanced, it's game-changing. The F-47's most radical feature? Its AI co-pilot. No more two-seat cockpits, the pilot's partner is a digital brain. This AI manages the chaos of modern air combat, handling thousands of tasks in the background. The human focuses on strategy. The AI filters threats, manages sensors, and suggests actions in real time. It learns from every mission, adapting to the pilot's style and anticipating needs. The AI can even deploy countermeasures or control drone wingmen at the speed of thought. This isn't about replacing pilots, it's about supercharging them. Human intuition meets machine logic, creating a battlefield manager with superhuman awareness. The F-47's AI is the conductor of a digital orchestra, making the family of systems concept possible. This partnership is the F-47's decisive edge. It's a generational leap in air combat. The future of air power is human and machine, working as one. That's a combination no adversary can match. Let's break down the F-47 specs. Boeing's 2025 contract win revitalized its stealth division, with production set in St. Louis. The Air Force plans at least 185 jets, more than the F-22 fleet. The F-47 will exceed Mach 2 and boast a combat radius over 1,000 nautical miles, a huge leap over the F-22. This range is vital for Indo-Pacific operations, allowing deep strikes without tankers. Its tailless delta-wing design maximizes all aspect stealth across the electromagnetic spectrum. A large internal bay carries next-gen long-range missiles. The program's head start is real. A secret demonstrator has already flown for years. This means less risk, faster development, and a first flight expected before 2029. The F-47 is moving fast, built on proven tech. The future is almost here. How does the F-47 compare to its rivals? China's J-20 and Russia's Su-57 and Su-75 are serious 5th-gen threats. But the F-47 is 6th-gen, a whole new league. The J-20 is improving, but its stealth is limited. The F-47's all-aspect stealth and drone swarms overwhelm it. The Su-57 is agile but lacks true stealth and faces production woes. The F-47's strategy isn't dogfighting, it's striking from beyond visual range, unseen. The Su-75 is still a prototype, years from being a real threat. The F-47's real edge is its network. It's a flying, thinking, fighting system. Rivals are still traditional fighters. The F-47 is a digital command center. It controls the battle space, not just the dogfight. In this new era, the F-47 is playing chess while others play checkers. It wins before the enemy knows the fight has begun. That's true dominance. The F-47 isn't just a jet, it's a statement of American power and intent. As rivals modernize, the F-47 shows the U.S. is committed to staying ahead. Its fast-track development in 2025 underscored this urgency. Leaders call it the crown jewel of the NGAD ecosystem, a leap, not just a replacement. The F-47 also strengthens alliances. Japan is already in line to acquire it. Sharing this tech creates a united front of overwhelming superiority. Adversaries face not just the US but a coalition with the world's best tools. But building the future isn't easy. The Pentagon prioritized the F-47 over the Navy's F/A-XX due to industrial limits. It's a reminder, next-gen air power requires focus and massive investment. The F-47 is the tip of the spear, the pinnacle of American industrial might. It's about securing the skies for the next half-century. The world is watching and recalibrating. The F-47 is more than a jet. It's a new philosophy of warfare. It represents a turning point, not just in technology, but in the very mindset of how air dominance is achieved and maintained. With the F-47, the rules of engagement are being rewritten. It marks the shift from duels between planes to battles between intelligent networks. The F-47 is not just a lone warrior, it's a node in a vast interconnected web of sensors, data, and decision-making power, where information flows as quickly as the aircraft itself. Its stealth, sensors, AI, and drone control are a leap so big, historians may divide air power into before and after the F-47. The integration of autonomous systems and real-time battlefield awareness means the F-47 can outthink, outmaneuver, and outlast any threat. Its existence alone changes the strategic landscape, forcing adversaries to rethink everything. Every nation must now reconsider their tactics, their defenses, and even their ambitions in the sky. This is deterrence at its finest. The cost of aggression is now sky high. The mere presence of the F-47 in a region can shift the balance of power, making potential adversaries think twice before making a move. The F-47 is a shield and a peacekeeper with teeth. It stands ready to defend, but also to strike with precision if called upon, ensuring peace through undeniable strength. For future pilots, it's a partner, an extension of their will, powered by AI and robotic wingmen. The F-47 amplifies human skill, allowing pilots to focus on strategy while the jet handles the complexity of modern combat. They'll command a view of the battlefield no one's ever had. With data streaming in from every direction, pilots will make decisions with unprecedented clarity and speed. The responsibility is huge, and the F-47 is built to meet it. Every bolt, every line of code is designed for reliability and resilience in the world's toughest environments. This is a story of visionaries pushing the limits of what's possible. Engineers, pilots, and strategists have come together to create a machine that redefines the future. The F-47 is steel, code, and ambition, America's answer to the future of air power. It's a symbol of innovation, determination, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. It's the new king of the sky, setting a standard that others will strive to match for years to come. The sky is about to change, forever. The era of the F-47 has arrived, and with it, a new chapter in the story of air power begins.